Getting started with FoundationSearch. Welcome to FoundationSearch, North America's leading source of foundation funding information for nonprofits. FoundationSearch is the premier, fully searchable online database of foundations for the serious prospect researcher, containing vital information about the funding history, preferences, and contacts of more than 100,000 U.S. foundations. It provides the specific information you need to approach the most qualified prospects with compelling reasons why your project fits their vision. In this video, we'll review some of the key features of FoundationSearch and find out how you can get the most out of your membership. Tutorial objectives. In this tutorial, we will show you how to log in to FoundationSearch, how to navigate the site and find everything you need to get started, how to access the online education area of the site, where to manage account settings and find terms of use. You can log into FoundationSearch from the home page. Make sure you have an assigned member ID and password, which must not be shared. Enter the information in the user login at the top of the home page and click Login. When you need to log out at the end of your session, just look for the Log Out button at the top of the page, no matter where you are on the site. A simple click, and you're logged out. After you have logged into FoundationSearch, you'll be taken to the User Dashboard page. The User Dashboard is your starting point, and from here you can access all areas of the database. There are several ways to navigate through FoundationSearch. You can use the quick links found on the User Dashboard page to jump straight to the tool you want to use. You can use the tabs at the top of the screen: User Dashboard, Find Funders, and Manage Funders. You can use the breadcrumb navigation. That's the string of page names found at the top of the page. If you find yourself several levels deep, you can easily click to go back to a more general page. You can also use the sitemap if you need. The link for the sitemap is at the footer of every page in FoundationSearch. If you ever get lost on the site, just look for the three main tabs at the top of the page. Clicking on the User Dashboard tab will take you back to your primary starting point, and you can easily re-navigate from there. The User Dashboard enables you to see your entire account and all activities at a glance. It gives you access to all areas of the database, from search tools to My Prospect Manager to your account details. From here, you can quickly and easily navigate to the feature you want to use. The main sections on the User Dashboard include Find Funders, Manage Funders, Messages, Upcoming Events, and General Announcements, Online Classroom, and Account Management. We'll review each of these sections in more detail. Under the Find Funders section, you can find all the tools and modules related to searching for funders. These modules are grouped into four major categories. Search Grants, which includes Grant Analyzer, Grant Visualizer, Global Grant Analyzer, and Global Grant Visualizer. Here, you can search through a database of more than 7 million grants made by foundations worth over $434 billion. Search Foundations, which includes FoundationSearch, Foundation Visualizer, Prospect Generator, Foundation Profile Keyword Search, 990PF Keyword Search, Foundation News Search, Foundation Deadline Search, and New Foundation Visualizer. These search modules provide access to more than 100,000 foundation profiles, 900,000 IRS 990PF filings, and over 1.2 million news articles about funders. Search Tools, which includes Director Connections and Power Search. Director Connections is an interactive relationship mapping tool that you use to explore the connections between directors you already know to discover connections to directors you want to know. Power Search gives you the power to search all key databases on the site at once, giving you a comprehensive insight into the universe of possible funding opportunities. And Browse Lists, which includes top U.S. foundations by assets, top U.S. foundations by grants, top U.S. foundations by state, and newly registered foundations. Each of these search tools offers a different perspective on foundations, grants, and granting data, providing you with all the resources you need for your prospect research. Under the Manage Funders tab, you will find My Foundation Manager and all the tools you need to effectively coordinate all your foundation funding research and manage your funder relationships. My Prospect Manager allows you to create, manage, and report on your fundraising projects and manage and track the relationships with your prospects. My Searches provides access to all the searches you set up across FoundationSearch and save to use and review again. My Alerts gives you the opportunity to set up alerts for your selected prospects so that you're informed of important changes and news. My Activity Box is where you can view and manage all your alerts and notifications in one convenient place. My Calls allows you to view all your upcoming and scheduled prospect calls at a glance. My Calendar lets you manage all your prospect activities in one place, whether you need to schedule calls or follow up on other appointments and events. My Reports gives you the power to create customized reports on your prospects and projects, and view them online or export them to PDF or Excel. And finally, Prospect Import and Prospect Screen are two new tools designed to give you even more options for your prospect research. Prospect Import allows you to quickly and easily import hundreds of prospect organizations or individuals directly into My Foundation Manager, where you can manage them along with all your other fundraising projects. Prospect Screen is a powerful search engine that allows you to filter your prospects against multiple databases simultaneously to discover hidden connections. Used together, Prospect Import and Prospect Screen can open up a whole new universe of funding opportunities to you. The user dashboard is also home to several time management and organizational tools, including your messages, where you'll be notified of any updates about foundations you've set up alerts for, your upcoming events, where you can view your calendar and see at a glance whether you have any calls, appointments, or other events scheduled, and general announcements, where you can keep informed of any newsletters or other announcements from FoundationSearch. The online classroom is your gateway to convenient online education opportunities. You can enroll in and access CFRE accredited courses designed to help you learn the essentials of building a case for support, how to conduct effective prospect research, and how to write compelling letters of inquiry and successful grant proposals. You can also view and register for a series of webinars covering various topics to help you meet new challenges in fundraising. All webinars are accredited by CFRE and can be used for continuing education points. The online education classroom is also where you can find this video and other educational tutorials about the different tools in FoundationSearch. These tutorials are available when you need them, as you need them, to help you get the most out of your FoundationSearch membership. And finally, the account management area is where you can manage the details of your FoundationSearch membership. Here, you can view your registered account information, set your individual user preferences, and see details of your membership. Power users have the ability to manage all user accounts for their organizations. It's all accessible here. While not as exciting or interesting as the search and management features in FoundationSearch, the terms of use are pretty important and need to be read and accepted by all users when they become members. And finally, if you ever have any questions and want to contact us, You can find our phone number and email addresses on the Contact Us page. Our customer support team is available by phone and email to address all your questions and concerns relating to Foundation Search. Tutorial Recap. In this tutorial, we have covered how to log in and out of Foundation Search, how to access all the main features and functions available in Foundation Search, where to access product tutorials and CFRE education modules, where to manage account settings,